Hey there, 8th grade. Catlin here with your lesson 8 video for your help on your cooldowns. And we're looking at Elena working through this equation. And when she gets to the last line, she stops and she says, "This equation is true for all values of x." How could she tell that? She didn't even get x by itself. How did she know that it was going to work for every one of them? And that's what we've been talking about in class lately is working through an equation and noticing something that happens when you're either going to get all solutions for x or no solution for x will work, or possibly it's going to work all the way down to find x by itself. In this particular case, let's kind of follow what she's done so far. So the first thing that she's done is she saw the big divide by 3 over here on the left, and she said, "You know what? I'm going to get rid of that divide by 3 by multiplying both sides by 3." And so when I multiply the left side by 3, it just gets rid of this. And when I multiply the right side by 3, I just put everything that's on the right side in parentheses and multiply it by 3. And then from, here to here, it appears as if she multiplies that 3 times the 2 to get 6, and the 3 times this 2 to get 6. Now, there's no need to multiply the 3 times the things in the parentheses yet, because that is a factor of this product of 2 times that group. So the 3 times the 2, the 3 times the 2, that's multiplying that entire side by 3. And then from this step to this step, it appears Elena is distributing 6 times 4x, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 6x, 6 times 4. So that's the distributive property. But she stops right here and she says that this is going to be true for everything. How did she know that was going to be the case? The reason why she knew that was because 12x plus 24x equals 36x. So she spotted that she was going to have the same amount of x's on both sides. Same amount of x's on both sides. Now, when that happens, two things can take place. You can have either every x ever is going to work and make this true, or no x ever can make this true. And the reason why she says that all values are going to make it true is because she's got 18 on the left, 18 as a constant on the left. And when you do 24 minus 6 and combine these like terms, 24 minus 6 is 18. So 18 as a constant on both sides. So if I've got the same number of letter parts on both sides and I got the same number for the constant on both sides, it's always going to be true for both values. So that's how she knew it was going to be true for all values of x. And that's your help for lesson 8. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.